Well, hello there. This is Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, Kiharu Member of Parliament Ndindi Nyoro has raised alarm over what he terms as Kenya's rising hidden debt, accusing the current administration of taking loans off the official books and placing future revenues at risk. Now, speaking during the 42nd annual ICPAK Conference in Mombasa, Nyoro said Kenya's legal public debt has grown from 8.7 trillion shillings to 12.5 trillion shillings in under 3 years, meaning the country is borrowing 1.25 trillion shillings every year, or 3.5 billion shillings daily.
In that span of less than 3 years, Kenya has borrowed 3.8 trillion Kenya shillings. And therefore, Kenya is borrowing 1.25 trillion Kenya shillings every year. And therefore, the money Kibaki borrowed in 10 years, we are borrowing every year. The people who are dealing with our debt, no one anakuzuia kukopa. But please let us maintain, as we have done in the past, only one book of debt. And this issue, again, was just discovered in Kenya last year. Actually this year, 2025, since independence, we have never done securitization. We have never done those kind of boards. It is important that when we get a squeeze on the normal borrowing, let us not expose Kenya by opening other secret, illegal books of loans.
Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi is warning that Kenya is heading